What's up guys? Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be super exciting as you would have already seen the thumbnail. I will be telling you guys about the apps which you must download as a college student. Trust me, none of these companies have paid me any money to recommend these apps to you all. It is just that during my college time, I've downloaded thousands of apps and deleted many. But yes, these are the ultimate apps which I've used throughout my college. And trust me when I say this, they make your life very comfortable. These are the apps which you all should download as they're available in both iOS and Android versions. I'll be putting down the links in the description below of all these apps, so make sure you download them. And yes, these apps are completely free. So now let's get started. The first app that I would want to recommend to all you guys is InShorts. InShorts is the app that I downloaded during my college days when I met one of the founders of this app in Bengaluru. I've been using this app ever since, and trust me when I say this, I heavily rely on this app for all my general knowledge and current affairs. The interface of this app is amazing as you get to know about all the current affairs and general knowledge in just 60 words. So you don't have to spend a lot of time reading long articles and going through all the descriptions about the current affairs and general knowledge. All you need is just 1 to 2 minutes to go through the 60-word article that they have published on their app. Whenever you want to know about a particular news in detail, all you have to do is just click one link and they will take you to the direct source, be it any of the newspaper from where they have published their article. So make sure you download InShorts. Number 2, Alarmy. If you are like me and you have the hardest time waking up from bed early in the morning, this app is surely going to be your savior. I downloaded this app in my second year when I was reading a review about this app, and yes, they were totally true. So unlike the other apps, the best part about this app is that to wake up in the morning, you have to set a task for yourself. And the alarm will only go off once you're done with the task. And just like all the other good users of this app, what I did was that I took a picture of my wash basin and set that as a task for each day in the morning. So the alarm would never go off until I click the same picture of my wash basin each day in the morning. They also have other tasks such as the math problem and all the other things that you can do to force yourself to wake up from bed each day in the morning. Trust me, in college, this is going to be your savior to wake up early in the morning and make for your first hours each day. Number 3, Grammarly. Grammarly is like the biggest convenience any student can get. I'm pretty sure you would have already heard the name of this app as they heavily advertise on YouTube, but yes, it is completely worth it. This app takes care of all the typos and the grammar mistakes which we all might incur whenever we are in a hurry or whenever we are completing any important assignments and college projects. This app is like a complete savior for all the students, specifically for the students who are not good in English, be it the written English. This really helps because it would chalk out all the important grammar mistakes which you might be making. I use this app till date today as it really helps me in writing all the important emails that I have to write. So make sure you download Grammarly. Number 4, Splitwise. You would have often heard me say that please take care of your expenditure and keep a track of them. Yes, so this is the app that I heavily use to keep a track of my expenditure. The best part about this app is that it automatically splits the bill amongst your friends. In college, you will be making a lot of expenditure and sometimes you might be even paying for your friends and near and dear ones whenever you're going out for dinners and parties. And I'm pretty sure asking the money back becomes quite awkward. But in college, this is that one app which majorly every student uses to keep a track of the expenditure they have made for themselves as well as for their friends. This app was recommended to me by my flatmate who was using this app from a very long time. And for all the flatmates, trust me, this is a blessing in disguise. Because in each day, you would be having a lot of expenditures which are shared, and keeping a track of them becomes a task. And specifically, human memory cannot be relied upon whenever it comes to money. So this app is the best for that. Along with that, you can even remind your friends to pay you money through this app. And another great feature about this app is about simplified debts, which is a great resource whenever you're going out in groups. Even when I used to go out in groups with my friends for even small trips to nearby destinations, we used to form a group on Splitwise, and each and everybody who was making any expenditure which was shared, he or she would add that on the group, and later on we would know that how much money we owe to our friends. So I really request you guys to download this app and have a very convenient life when it comes to money and managing your money. Number 5, Cam Scanner. So the best part about Cam Scanner is that it takes your phone and makes it to a scanner. So you do not have to wait in the long queues near a photocopy shop to get your scans done. As a college student, this app is very handy as you would regularly need a scanned copy of all the notes. In my class as well, we all used to just click the pictures through Cam Scanner and make it to a PDF document and share it with the whole class, specifically near to the days of exam. You can use this app not only for your studies but also to scan important documents such as your passport, Aadhaar card and other important details. So make sure you use Cam Scanner. Number 6, Dunzo. Dunzo is like the best utility app one can ever get. And a little trivia for all you guys, Dunzo was voted as one of the best startups in the country last year. The best part, this app is like an on-demand delivery service, which means that this app would assign you a delivery person. He or she will run the task for you all. To make you better understand, I'll just tell you how I use this app. So during my exam days, when I was studying, I used to book up on delivery services, and this guy and the delivery man used to get photographs for me, used to get my clothes ironed, used to pick up and drop stuff from my friend's house. So this is just somebody who is running the task for you all. They even help you with buying medicines, grocery and a lot more. And you just have to pay a very small amount for that. Recently they've even started with delivery services, so you can surely use that as well. Dunzo is already available in all major cities and they're expanding even to tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So hopefully this will come to your city as well very soon. So along with these apps that I've mentioned, make sure you have one of the UPI apps, be it Google Pay, Paytm, Bheem or whichever one that you are using, as it is going to come very handy whenever you are in college, because you will be paying for your Wi-Fi bills, electricity bills and even to do your mobile recharges. Any of these apps would be very beneficial. You will also be using these apps to book movie tickets and all the other stuff. Along with the payment gateway apps, you also need to download travel apps such as Uber, Ola, Rapido for your transportation in whichever city you are going to be in. And lastly, do not forget the food delivery apps such as Zomato, Swiggy, as they're going to be the biggest saviors for you all in your college time. So that's about it for the best apps that you need to download as a college student. Hopefully, once you start using these apps, you will surely thank me for recommending these apps to you all. If you have any doubts, questions or queries, make sure you comment below so that I can answer them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get regular notifications whenever I upload a new video. Take care, bye bye.